Hey guys, so today is going to be April's BirchBox, but I did notice a similarity, so let's go find out what that was. Hey guys, so I just got back from the mail and I went and picked up my BirchBox so that way I could do today's video. And which one is April? That's a very good question. So when I looked at because I opened it up and everything because I just didn't want to deal with the packaging on the camera, I looked at it and I saw, oh, it looks like this one. So I opened it up all the way just to make sure it wasn't, and it wasn't. But the top one is April. Now the irony is that magnetic little flap on that one is actually kind of broken, and then this one, if I can find it, it actually works really, really well. So I was like, oh, the irony in that. I guess they had a surplus in boxes, or that was just the theme for spring. But today it says, ready to rebuild your beauty routine. Discover skincare staples. Sorry guys, I just kind of officially woke up, so my words are not happening today. Alright, so it says, when it comes to skincare, reliable base are a must. The caveat? As a question mark. We each have to find which products work best for us. This month's box delivers samples to help us build the perfect foundation for glowing skin. We have the list of different things. So last month we had little red paper squigglies. This month we have white paper squigglies. And then what made it very obvious is these were in there and a bunch of other little bottles. So there was actually quite a bit in here compared to what I have been getting. So these are BusyCo. BusyCo says they are a brightening facial serum pad. Their full size is $12. The brightening face wipe is a serum with a hydrating face all-in-one. Vitamin C works to brighten and firm skin, while hyaluronic acid boosts hydration and improves moisture retention. Disclaimer. Compliments are coming. That's funny. Okay, so it looks like you get two different little pads in here, which is actually quite nice because usually you only get like one. So this is kind of like a bonus item almost. Moving to the next item, we have Hero Cosmetics. So Hero Cosmetics is in their clean foundation, or not foundation, but they're clean products. So BirchBox has different categories of products, and one of them is clean. Clean beauty, meaning it is not tested on animals. It is full of like super good for you stuff kind of sense, you know? Like none of the other stuff that they claim is like not good for you, but it's makeup products. So let's be a little realistic. Alright, Clarifying Probiotic Moisturizer. Its full size is $12.99, so $1 more than the other product. The Clarifying product is not your average moisturizer. This nutrient-packed formula reduces blemishes that no one... Thanks to one genius ingredient, the Probiotic Sugar Complex. Get ready for skin that feels clean, balanced, and resilient. So it comes in this little container like this. These are all sample sizes. BirchBox does not do super big products usually. I did get a makeup palette from them, but that was a curated box I could choose from, so it already included that for the month that I got it for. So you're going to find products like this or smaller. So I think the cute, bright yellow sunny design that they have is quite lovely, especially that it's springtime and we want to be happier with all the winter that we've had and everything like that. My pillow is fleeting from me. Alright, and here is everyone's favorite brand, Wander Beauty. Now this little brand bounces between boxes and different companies. I know BoxyCharm is one of them. I know that this brand made it all the way into some like $100+ advent calendar that I saw on another YouTuber's account. She's Alexa or Alexandra, something like that. I don't remember her name exactly, but she's a really sweet girl, and she does advent calendars. Last this last year she did the 25 days of Advent calendars, and the Advent Wonder Beauty products were in some of those calendars, so which I thought was quite interesting. So this is their Drift Away cleanser. And let's see, that's at the bottom. So this one falls under the female founded category. Drift Away cleansers full size is $32. This foaming face wash gently removes makeup and cleans pores. It also infuses your skin with hydration and antioxidants, resulting in a visibly clear complex. So we have their traditionally Wonder Beauty colors. They're kind of rosy and cranberry kind of colors. The smallest thing in here is from, I think it's called Biro. Yeah, it looks like Biro. Let me turn it around. Ugh. And by turning it around, I see why. Okay, so here is the Truffle Eye Serum. This little container here. This one is a female founded as well. The Truffle Eye Serum's full size is $114, so I'm assuming it comes in a little pot. This featuring a blend of black and white and summer truffles. Is there really a difference? Okay, this eye serum infuses the skin with essential fatty acids and antioxidants to excuse me. Oh, allergies. Okay. To combat environmental damage, its hyaluronic acid helps maintain hydration and reduces fine lines and dark circles. So there's that. It's really, really windy outside, and like I said, I had to go out there to go get it. So right now my body's all like, ugh. And of course, first thing you do is you don't worry about, I need an allergy pill. No. You go, I gotta get my BirchBox. Alright, this one is the Active Pureness Mask from Comfort Zone. This little guy right here. It's a smidge taller if the top would stand completely up, but it don't, so I just hold it like that. Alright, Comfort Zone. It is in the clean category. The Active Pureness Mask's full size is $39. This luxurious mask with a cologne, C-A-O-L-I-N, whatever that is, and green clay has a mattifying and purifying effect that by absorbing excess sebum to minimize pores and make skin more radiant. So if you suffer with excessive oily skin, or if you suffer with like teeny tiny breakouts, I would say more so, like if you've ever tried to go like squeeze your face or use one of those little suction things on it and you get that like clear oily kind of stuff, that's not necessarily bad stuff in your pores. That's actually the sebum that lives in your pores naturally, and you kind of do need that, but some people produce too much. It's kind of like having dandruff. Sometimes you just have too much going on. So that is supposed to help kind of reduce that a little bit, cut it down, make you look a little less shiny. So that is all we have for those. Let's see. I think I may or may not use one of these today. I have no idea. But I did get to use from the last box the Kiehl's Dermatologist Solution Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminisher, the Vitamin E Serum. This little guy. I did notice quite a bit of a difference. Not necessarily the day I used it, but the next day. I didn't look like I was so tired. So this was kind of nice. So, but that is all I have for you guys today. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, or likes or dislikes, just let me know down below. And then we can just have a whole conversation over it. So, check you guys on the next video. I'll see you later. Bye.